I'm going to show you how to see your old stories on Instagram. So as you know, when you post a story, it will disappear. I believe it's 24 hours, but if you want to go and find those old stories, it's real easy to do. So let's go to Instagram, and you want to just make sure that you're on your profile. Once you're on your profile, go to the three bars at the top right-hand corner. And then once this loads up, you want to go down to the second option where it says archive. So all of your stories automatically archive, so you can go through and see those old stories. So as I'm sitting here, you can scroll through and it will show you the picture, it will show you the date that you post the story. But that's pretty much it. You can always go ahead and click on the story. Go ahead and hit the more option at the bottom right hand corner. You can either delete the story, save the photo, or share the story as a post. But that's pretty much it. It's really easy and really simple to just go through and scroll and find all the stories that you've posted over your entire account duration. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy.